Rokomama's challenge people. Yeah, the hot wing challenge. Come, come. All of you, come. One line. Yay! At the back, come forward. I want to talk to you. Ni zo fa ni zizi de nge nje spukupuku. Aniva.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new, please make sure that you like and you also subscribe to this channel. Guys, there's this challenge that Rokomamas is always conducting. Like, this hot wings challenge is just getting out of hand now, and I feel like they know that people have been passing this challenge, or they've been like doing this challenge and winning this challenge. So now they are just trying to make it more hotter than before, because what the hell, guys, like, people are ready to die just for hot wings and chips. It's really concerning, and you can see what they are going through a lot, but maybe they just want to go viral, or they want followers or something. But they are just putting their lives at risk, putting their health at risk, because before you start this challenge, you sign a consent form, Sana. You are signing your life away. Like, if it was not dangerous, why would they be giving you forms to sign? They are giving you forms to sign because they know that it's between life and death. So they don't want to be held accountable. If something happens to you, they don't want to be blamed, which is fair and okay, because they don't force you to come. Like, look at this person, a whole grown up person. There at Rokomamazi sana, you are sweating, you are eating fast, kuphuma amafinyela, kuphuma yonke nje lento, as long as wena nje you are going to have 50k likes on TikTok because you managed to win this challenge and get a cap and not pay that 200 for the wings. The next thing you know, you have long-term issues with your stomach, or maybe so nama ulcers lapiana. Like, it's really bad, guys. It's really bad, you know. So I don't know, man. Ish, I don't know, yes. And even when the challenge started, when they first started this challenge, there were people that were complaining about this challenge. But did Roko Mamas stop? No, they didn't stop. They didn't stop. And I was watching, as I was scrolling on TikTok, I saw someone that went to hospital because of this. I will include the video at the end so that you guys can see this person. I don't know if maybe he was allergic to chilies, or maybe it's because of too much chilies. But this person, the eyes were just swollen. They had to go to hospital after this challenge, you know. So that's why Rockmamas is giving you forms to sign. Ukuthi anything that's going to happen after this, don't include us. And hey, as in, guys, Shem, is really bad. Like, it's really bad. Just for 200 rand, you might have end up having long-term issues with your stomach, long-term issues with your health. I don't even want to know when they have to go to the toilet. Yo, I'm sure it's really bad. I am sure it's really bad. Look at this guy. He is sweating like real sweat. But nje uthi ngenzeni video. I want to conquer this. I want to post this on TikTok. I want to go viral. I don't know, maybe they need to see someone dying and then they will stop this challenge, because it's really not it's not good. It's really not good for you to be sweating like this just because of chili. And I feel like they added more chili this year because they've seen that people are winning this challenge. So they're like, you know what? We are going to make this even more harder. Anyway, guys, let me just add the video of this person that went to hospital because of this challenge. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think of this? Would you guys consider doing this challenge, or have you done it before, and what were the side effects? Because I don't think I can, Shamina. I don't think I can. And I'm so against this thing. Like, but anyway, guys, I'll see you on my next video.